To fix the PayPal app when it's not working, start by checking your internet connection. Open another app that requires internet to see if your connection is working. If it is, try switching from mobile data to Wi-Fi or vice versa. If the issue persists, it may be due to an outdated app. Go to the App Store, search for PayPal, and check if an update is available. If it is, tap the update option to get the latest version. If the app still doesn't work after updating, go to your settings, scroll down to the General section, and find the PayPal app. Tap on it and select the Offload app option. Wait for the offloading process to complete. Then tap the Reinstall app option. In most cases, this should resolve the issue. If the problem remains, you can try deleting the app entirely and reinstalling it from the App Store. These steps should help fix the PayPal app when it's not working.